Charlie Munger, How to Get Rich in 5 Simple Steps. Make Money Investing. Charlie Munger is an American businessman, investor, and philanthropist who is known for his wit, wisdom, and insightful investment strategies. As Warren Buffett's right-hand man, Munger has played a significant role in the success of Berkshire Hathaway over the years. But how did Munger achieve his success? What are the secrets to his investing philosophy? In this video, we'll explore Charlie Munger's philosophy on achieving financial success. Munger believes that anyone can become wealthy if they follow his 5 simple steps. These steps aren't just theories, but they are proven techniques that Munger has used to become one of the most successful investors in history. So, if you want to learn how to build wealth and achieve financial freedom, keep watching. Now, let's dive into the 5 simple steps that Charlie Munger recommends for achieving financial success. 1. Develop a strong work ethic. If you want to achieve financial success like Charlie Munger, you must have a strong work ethic. A strong work ethic is not just about working hard, but it is also about working smart and being persistent. It involves setting goals, prioritizing tasks, and maintaining a positive attitude. But why is a strong work ethic so important for achieving financial success? Well, for starters, it helps you develop discipline and focus. By setting goals and prioritizing tasks, you can stay on track and make progress towards your financial goals. A strong work ethic also helps you build resilience and perseverance, which are critical qualities for success in any field. So, how can you develop a strong work ethic like Charlie Munger? Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Set clear goals. Having clear and specific goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. 2. Prioritize your tasks. Identify the most important tasks and focus on them first. This will help you make progress towards your goals and avoid getting distracted by less important tasks. 3. Maintain a positive attitude. A positive attitude can help you overcome obstacles and stay motivated. Focus on the progress you've made rather than the challenges you face. 4. Embrace hard work. Hard work is essential for achieving financial success. Embrace the challenges and learn to enjoy the process of working towards your goals. 5. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks and recharge your energy. This will help you avoid burnout and stay productive over the long term. 2. Acquire knowledge and skills. Continuous learning is one of the most important factors in achieving financial success. But why is it so important to keep learning? Well, the world is constantly changing, and so are the markets and investing landscape. By continuously learning, you can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing conditions, and make informed decisions. So, how can you acquire knowledge and skills? Here are some tips that Charlie Munger recommends. 1. Read widely. Reading is one of the best ways to learn and improve your knowledge. Read books, articles, and news related to investing, economics, and business. 2. Take courses. There are many courses available online or in person that can help you develop specific skills and knowledge related to investing. Look for courses in finance, accounting, and economics. 3. Seek out mentors. Mentors can provide valuable guidance, advice, and insights based on their own experiences. Look for mentors who have achieved success in the field of investing and learn from them. 4. Attend conferences. Conferences are great opportunities to learn from experts and network with other investors. Look for conferences and events related to investing and finance. 5. Learn from your mistakes. No one is perfect, and everyone makes mistakes. However, the key is to learn from your mistakes and use them as opportunities to improve your knowledge and skills. 3. Develop sound investing principles. Investing is not just about making money, but it's also about managing risks and protecting your wealth over the long term. Well, having a solid investment philosophy can help you make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and stay disciplined during market ups and downs. It can also help you stay true to your values and priorities and build a sustainable and successful investing strategy. Here are some sound investing principles that Charlie Munger recommends. 1. Avoid speculation. Speculation can be tempting, but it can also be risky and lead to significant losses. Instead of speculating, focus on investing in quality companies with solid fundamentals and a long-term growth potential. 2. Stick to a long-term strategy. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stick to a long-term investment strategy and avoid chasing short-term gains. By holding quality companies over the long term, you can benefit from compounding and generate significant wealth over time. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risks and protecting your wealth. Invest in a mix of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, and avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. 4. Invest in what you understand. Stick to investments that you understand and avoid complex financial products that you don't. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. 5. Keep it simple. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Stick to simple, proven investment strategies and avoid chasing fads and trends. Remember, the best investments are often the most boring. 4. Be patient and disciplined. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a hot stock or the fear of a market downturn. However, if you want to achieve financial success like Charlie Munger, you must be patient and disciplined in your investing approach. So, why are patience and discipline so important for successful investing? Well, the market is unpredictable, and there will always be ups and downs. By being patient and disciplined, you can avoid impulsive decisions and stick to a long-term investment strategy, which can help you achieve your financial goals. Here are some tips for developing patience and discipline in your investing. 1. Avoid impulsive decisions. Don't make investment decisions based on emotions or short-term fluctuations in the market. Instead, take a long-term view and stick to a well-defined investment strategy. 2. Stick to a plan. Develop a clear investment plan and stick to it. Avoid deviating from your plan based on short-term market movements or the latest investment fad. 3. Manage your expectations. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Be realistic about your expectations and understand that it takes time and discipline to achieve financial success. 4. Stay focused. Avoid getting distracted by short-term noise or market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals and stay the course, even when it gets tough. 5. Be patient. Patience is a virtue when it comes to investing. Don't get discouraged by short-term losses or slow progress. Remember, successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. 5. Take calculated risks. When it comes to achieving financial success, taking risks is an essential part of the process. However, not all risks are created equal, and it's crucial to take calculated risks to achieve your goals. As Charlie Munger famously said, "You're not going to get very far in life based on what you already know. You're going to advance in life by what you're going to learn after you leave here." So, why is taking calculated risks so important for achieving financial success? Well, taking calculated risks can lead to higher returns on your investments and help you reach your financial goals more quickly. However, it's important to remember that not all risks are worth taking, and you need to carefully assess the potential rewards and manage the potential losses. Here are some factors to consider when taking calculated risks. 1. Assess potential rewards before taking a risk. You need to assess the potential rewards. Is the potential return worth the investment? What is the likelihood of success? What is the potential upside? 2. Manage potential losses. It's essential to manage potential losses when taking risks. You need to have a plan in place to limit your losses and protect your portfolio. Consider diversifying your investments and setting stop-loss orders to manage risk. 3. Do your research. Don't take a risk blindly. Do your research and gather as much information as possible before making a decision. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or mentor to get a second opinion. 4. Take calculated risks. As mentioned earlier, not all risks are worth taking. Make sure you're taking calculated risks by carefully assessing the potential rewards and managing the potential losses. 5. Be bold and daring. Finally, to achieve financial success, you need to be bold and daring. Don't be afraid to take risks and step outside of your comfort zone. Remember, fortune favors the bold. In a nutshell, Charlie Munger's philosophy on achieving financial success is based on 5 simple steps: developing a strong work ethic, acquiring knowledge and skills, developing sound investing principles, being patient and disciplined, and taking calculated risks. By following these steps, investors can build a successful and sustainable investment portfolio. Charlie Munger's philosophy on achieving financial success is as relevant today as it was when he first espoused it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts and questions. Thank you for watching.